I'm not a very competitive person, and it's very funny because actually I'm not. And but like when you put me in like sort of when I put myself in a race or whatever it might be, uh, a switch happens, and I'm actually not looking at like everything becomes very blurry around me. I'm just focusing on like what I need to do at that point of time. My name is Krishna. I'm 41 years old, and I am originally from Assam, but I live in Bangalore now. Honestly, I feel like I just participated because I wanted to do something challenging and didn't specifically train for it. But I just wanted to do it at my own pace, and I really wanted to, I guess, prove to myself that like it's not always about coming in, winning and stuff. I just wanted to do it and challenge myself, and brave this weather and these conditions, and still sort of endure through the pain and like stay focused, I guess. So who introduced me to CrossFit? Actually, I spent a significant amount of time in Australia, and that was maybe in 2010 and 12, where CrossFit had just started. And one of my friends, he was like super into CrossFit, and he had just come back from the US. And the first CrossFit workout I did was in his garage, actually. And at that point of time, I was just like, doing regular stuff like boxing and all of that. So I think, yeah, he was basically the one who started me on to CrossFit. I guess, when you're in Australians, it's a part of their life. So just like fitness is something that is a part of my life. It's like brushing my teeth, really. Actually, I wasn't really expecting to win or anything like that. Today wasn't my best, really. And I just did my normal training. But once a week, I used to like mix up my training with some running in between, and that's all I did. And it's not the way. If you want to do well in this race, you have to train specifically. So I don't think that's why I said I don't think today was my best. I just did what I could and won. I mean that's secondary, but like look, if you train well for something and you just like go at it and you feel really great doing it, I think that's winning. I knew what I'm good at. I know what I'm good at, and I know what I'm average at. So I kind of like just strategized based on like what I thought I could push at and what I thought wasn't going to help, like wasn't going to sort of really help me. I really ran my own race. Like I didn't look left, I didn't look right. I just did my own thing. The heat was like unbearable. It was very sunny, and it's really hot. But the initial run, obviously, everyone's really pumped up, so it feels pretty okay. For me, I just knew that I had to consistently keep my pace, and I wasn't very off. I consistently did everything. Uh, Even with the rowing and stuff, I took it easy. Like I wasn't going to max out anywhere. After I finished kettlebell carry, from that then on, I was kind of in my comfort zone. So I kind of was able to push very easily because those things I did train. The running, I just took it easy. I found it extremely hot, and I found it clear pull pretty hard because I didn't practice pulling at all. Push was fine because I do have that endurance in my legs. But yeah, I found the heat was a huge factor, and it kind of creeps up on you. Wall balls was the easiest. I pretty much did it unbroken, I think. And even the lunges were pretty okay. Hardest would have been the sled pull because I had zero practice. It's a nice feeling because, like, look, I think everyone says age is a factor, but I think now, like, after doing this, I feel like age is a number because, when you race, it feels like it's all even. So I think it gives you that sense of like, if you put in the work, if you're consistent, and if you've been doing it for a while, age like matters. But you can it matters to an extent, but you like that's not an excuse. I really think it's something that women should do regardless of what level you're at. Just come and like be in your zone, do your own thing. It's like your head that you have to fight, and it's not about physical fitness, it's about grit, it's about mental strength. Oh, this is for my son, who basically is 6 years old, and basically he really struggles with like he doesn't like losing, and every time he loses, there's like a big tantrum, etc., etc. So I told him today that, you know what, I'm going to go for a race today. And his first question was, but what if you lose? I said, if I lose, that's okay. But you know, if I, you know, I'm just going to go there and I'm going to try and have fun. And then he told me, I don't think you're going to lose, Mama. You're going to tell your mind, I'm stronger than this. I said, okay, I'll do that. And basically, I said, okay, fine. Every time I feel weak, I'll think of your face. And he said, okay. And so this is for my son and my husband who's taking care of my son.
Who are you?
मैं योद्धा